Hello guys, it's Martin here from Blackpool Automart. We've got a lovely Insignia 2018 for sale that's just come into stock. Lovely diamond cut wheels. No curbing to any of those, I've checked them. It's the turbo diesel Insignia. Like I say, it's a 2018, so it's just over 3 years old. Nice car, very good spec on this car. It's got the black tinted windows and the upgraded wheels. As you can see, it's got the 19s on. I think it's got 19s. Oh, the 20s, right, okay. Big diamond cut alloy wheels. Comes with 2 keys, great service history. She's a manual, 6-speed. Let's have a look inside. Flat bottom steering wheel. Height adjustment on this driver's seat. It's got half leather. All the seats are in good order. It's got thigh extensions as well. They'll pop out a little bit. Very good condition all around, as you'd expect an 18 plate car to be. Okay, get inside the car. Like I say, it's got 2 keys. She's a push button start, which is just here. I'll just move the seat up a little bit so I can... clutch has to be in on these to start them. There, she's away. Okay, I'll just turn that noise down. She's done 59,419 miles. It's priced according to miles and obviously the age of the car, so this car is priced very well. It's got cruise control, it's got auto lights, auto wipers, 6-speed manual gearbox, parking sensors, lane assist, so if you go out your lane on the motorway you'll get a vibration through the steering wheel just to wake you up. It's got electric mirrors, obviously electric windows, and I think it's got, which it has, yeah, it's got sat nav as well, and also DAB radio, 6-speed manual, and yeah, very good spec, to be honest with you. Vauxhalls have come up in their specification recently, to be fair to them. They used to be quite down on spec, but they have to compete with the likes of Kia and Hyundai and people like that. So they've really sorted out their spec levels and putting cruise on the cars and nav, etc. as standard. Is good. It's very good. It needed to happen. So yeah, that's the car. I'll just turn her off for now. She's got good history as well, this car. I must admit, it's got very good history. We'll be servicing the car before it leaves, and if it's due an MOT, we'll be testing it as well. Our Honda garage, which is just over there, that's our flagship Honda dealer. All our workshops are down there. They'll be servicing the car prior to it leaving. It is an SRI variant, this as well, hence the nice spec. It's got parking sensors front and rear, as you can see, but they do look well, these, I must admit. The new Insignia, this is the shape that you went in and bought. It went into Vauxhall now. This is the shape you get if you bought a new one. So yeah, all in all, cracking car. We do offer a delivery service as well. If that's of any interest to you, please let us know. It's free of charge at the minute. We used to do it all the time when the pandemic was in and we were closed. We were just doing online deliveries, and we just went mad on the delivery side of things, and we're just keeping it going now. We've got a few drivers we've taken on, a few trucks. So yeah, it is free of charge, which is good. So let us know if you want to look at that option. We also do great finance packages as well, and we will take in a part exchange. Even if it's got finance on it, we can settle that finance for you, no problem at all, and just start you with a new agreement. So there you go. That's the Vauxhall Insignia SRI diesel manual 2018. It's available now. It just needs us to go through our workshop to be serviced and MOT. Give us a call. It's 01253 600 900. If you want any more pictures or any more videos, I can do a personalised video for you. This is obviously a generic video that goes out onto Auto Trader, but I can do what's called a See It Now video for you. If you want me to look at anything specific on the car, I will do that for you. Just give me a call. My name's Martin. I'm the sales manager here at Blackpool Automart. It's been my pleasure bringing you this car today. Hopefully we'll hear from you in the not too distant future. Bye for now, guys, and stay very safe.